Next month for BBIG, May 16 will be the last day to buy for your shares to be considered settled on the record date. Right now the price is holding above our ascending line that we talked about in the last update that we do for BBIG. We do daily update. So again, let me just check with you here what we talked about this ascending line. If you didn't see the video here, this is the video that we did before, and the price last time we jumped here last month, and today we visit this area. We did this video on the May 10th. And again, if we go here, we saw the buying pressure happened again when we visit this ascending line. Last time we visited here around the 27th of April, and today we visited 12th of May. Perfect bounce and still buying pressure. Let me go in for our candle. Exactly, still green candle, and this is show us a big buying pressure happening and confirm this strong ascending line. Before we continue to the technical, let's discuss something really important for BBIG. Okay, so we have a confirmation from the Schwab that BBIGV and Tide V X distribution market share are strictly for right to spin off dividends. What's that mean? Meaning, if you sell on the regular way, you will lose right to Tide share. If you trade strictly X distribution market shares, you are essentially trading the right to Tide share. And again, one thing important for BBIG and the dividend for Cryptide, we have less than 4 days, and you can see it here. We have the anticipated first trade day for BBIGV is on May 17, and again for the symbol for Tide V, and the anticipated first trade date for Tide V is as well on May 17, so next Tuesday. So if we go back for the technical and discuss something really important, which is the support here, and discuss why the buying pressure happening here. Let me just use one of my indicator, which is Lux Algo Premium, to check one thing, which is yes, here, and we check something really important considering the institution profile, and you can see it clearly. Let me just do it on autopilot here. Perfect. So from our technical here from algo trading, we see something really interesting, which is we have a big profile of institution buying here on this area between the $2.60 and around the $2.20. You see this big movement and reaction from the market maker and buying this for this area. That's why always when the market or for BBIG go below the $2.20, we see a big profile of market maker buying again. The price went down, and again, without even using this ascending line, we can see where the big institution will buy. We bought here, and right now we bought here. So let me just take Lux Algo, and again, bring Lux Accelerator Premium, and we can look here that it's turning to green the moment that we hit our ascending line on 27th of April, and you can see turning from the red going to oversold territory around this green area down below. You see this green area is oversold territory for BBIG, and the moment that we turn Lux Accelerator Premium to green, we have a nice reversal and a big gap here. So this is show us the buying pressure before it happened. So right now we have a Lux Algo turning to red a bit. However, we're gonna see this turning to green to give us a signal for another jump for BBIG. Let me just take this indicator out, and let's discuss again where we have the price will squeeze again for BBIG. So right now we have a really interesting area for rejection for BBIG. 17th of February happened around the $3.80, and again we have lowered resistance around the $3.55. So the pre-signaling will be around the $3.55. If we even went around the $3.48. This is will be, or $3.50. This will be kind of pre-signaling for explosion for the $3.80, because here we did double top as we said before in the last video, and this show us a massive short positioned, heavily positioned around the $3.45. The good thing is we held above this ascending line and we bounced from it right now the third time, because if you just go back in time, we bounced from it from the 15th of March 1st and lastly today. So right now we need still holding this area until we just have 4 days. Yeah, I know. For the next Monday, we're going to see a big, massive buying pressure happening the moment that we overcome the $3.80 and we holding this ascending line. This will be really interesting to watch for BBIG after we have this reaction for the next week. We see a massive volatility again. Today we have the volume is 8 million and average volume 32 million. Not that bad. However, we're expecting this volume would turn up at least 30 or 40. We're gonna see a big movement happen for BBIG. So as everybody knows that BBIG have the same reaction or follow the same reaction with the other squeeze stocks like AMC and GameStop. So if we go to AMC, last time we did like a pre-market update on our Patreon. We talked about AMC. It was last month here on April 29 when we predicted the price to go below around $10 and visiting the other support after we get rejected around the 1958. Today we visit this area of support as we expected for AMC, and the price starting to have a reversal. We did almost 25% for right now for AMC, and we anticipated a rejection around the 13 and the 12 here. You see the wick that happened here. This is confirmed our rejection area around this area, the 13 and 12. That's why the price went down. Right now, the $9, above the $9 should be the strongest support for AMC, for GameStop as well, visiting the 85 and have a massive buying pressure happening. This is the normal reaction when we visit any support. As we said, the market crashing and going down, of course. However, there is always support where the institution and smart money buy at, and that's where we make money as well when the price jump high, like what happened here for GameStop and AMC. Let me just go very quick for Amazon. So Amazon went perfectly around the 2000. If you remember, we already did the video for Amazon and we suggested to buy around the 2000. And guess what? The price went nicely up almost 7% the moment we go around the 2000. Perfect hunt for Amazon. And as well, if you want a free share of Amazon, you can get it here on Momo with my exclusive link in comment section below. You have 13 hours left to get your share, and you have exclusive again 5 free stock with Amazon, and again 0 commission for US resident trading US stock. And of course you can trade pre-market and after market. Again, we have just 4 days left for the dividends, so be ready. Have this notification around the squeeze area, the $3.80. We're gonna see a massive volatility. Watch out for the ascending line. Hopefully that was informative, plus the like button and the notification so you never miss any of my future update for BBIG, and see you in the next update.